What is good, people? Welcome back to another video. When we first revealed this car, I did mention that the paintwork is quite bad. Now from an angle maybe 5 foot, it looks clean, it looks very good. In pictures it looks immaculate, no problems. However, when you get up close, you start to see the flaws. One of our subscribers on a previous video commented saying, wouldn't mind sponsoring you to maybe powder coat a set of brakes or something like that. And I know he's got a body shop because I've been to his unit before for work, and I just asked the question, is there something you could do paintwork wise to kind of, you know, make this look a little bit nicer? And he says bring it up and we'll have a look. So that's the purpose of today's vlog. Yeah, don't look too close.
It's not actually bad. The places where you expect.
It's a 4-footer, isn't it? You got to be stood here.
It's not that bad.
And it's not bad. When you get close, you start to see.
On a car of this age, I'd be expecting rust under paint,
yeah,
on front, these kind of things. But it's actually not. I mean, the paint's not great.
Yes.
Fish eyes all over here and things like that.
Awful. It seems like it's been painted in a garage.
Yes.
Body panels don't fully
flattened and
line
buffed
up.
it because you can see in all recesses orange peel.
It's probably better than what I could have managed, so I can't talk too badly
So
about the paint.
It could be covering up a multitude of sins.
Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me, but well, that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here. I'm here to see the professional who's going to potentially sort the paintwork out and potentially put me a body kit on it.
It don't look bad though.
No, it's not bad at all. But I want to take it to shows, and at the minute it's not show worthy.
It's doable though. It's not bad at all.
Can you weld?
Yes. Should I have said no?
We have him. We've got him.
It's always better to start with a good base car.
Yes.
That doesn't need loads of welding.
Yep. Agreed. What do you think? Is that something that you would do?
Yeah.
Excellent. How long do you think it would take you? Months? Month? I know it's hard to say because obviously you've not seen it, and
it's difficult to say without checking further into what's underneath the paint and things like that.
That's fair.
If it's all as it looks,
which it probably isn't. Let's just put that in there.
not that long.
Yeah.
Because it's basically go around the vehicle and prep it and paint it. You look there,
Yeah.
you're more or less level,
Yeah.
and on this side,
Oh yeah, it's
you're
sucked in,
over.
isn't it? Yeah. Ah. You see, this is why I take it to other people, because I don't claim to know about paint. I'm not the best person at bodywork, so I'll take it to someone who knows what they're doing.
they'll definitely make a nice one.
It's music to my ears. I love that. I like that. It's reassuring, and you're not too far either. An hour-ish drive. Which in this, struggling at 60 miles an hour with my foot flat, isn't fun at all.
Will be when you get your new engine in.
It will. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait. I can't wait to put it in. Anyway, we're going to talk some numbers and bits and bobs. I'll get you some footage, give you some cinematics on B-roll, and I don't know, hopefully we can get this show ready for next season. What do you think, guys? Thought while I was here to drop off the 280mm brakes that we've got. I mean, we bought these for the estate ages and ages and ages ago. We just never could be arsed. And kindly, Jamie offered to powder coat these, rebuild them. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure to check out his YouTube channel. I'll put it in now or in the link in the description. These are going to look beautiful. He's had a good look around the car. He's happy with it. He's happy with the condition of it. He did expect it to be worse, which is surprising because it's very old. So it must be speaking compliments for the condition it's in. He's happy to take on the project. It's actually crazy how much kit he's got in there. Like, he does so much stuff. He does stickers. He can make his own brake lines. He does powder coating, flipping alignment. He does paint. Honestly, there's loads of stuff that he does, especially for such a small garage. Usually people just do kind of repairs and that's it, but he pretty much is like a standalone garage. He's gonna have a good think about the paint price and how we're gonna go forward. So guys, make sure you're subscribed and you're enjoying the content so far. If you're not, put me some constructive criticism down. It's always nice to have some constructive feedback as well, something that I can improve on. What we got to do in today's vlog is sort out the grille situation. So we first bought this car. It had on the quad lights, no red stripe or anything like that, and I'm more of a single light fan and I was struggling to find some, so I ended up settling on, in my opinion, the worst possible single light grille to get, which is debadged, no red stripe. This one already had the Jetta mod underneath, which doesn't look too bad, but it doesn't fit in the corners very well. We have got a grille, the next best thing, which is a badged red stripe with the eyebrow. Don't worry about the red because it will be painted with the car. We're going to chuck that on today. It probably won't stay on because the red stripe's going to look a little bit weird, but we're just going to see what it looks like. If it improves the look, which I believe it will because it's red, and it will kind of match with the red stripe rear bumper and the little bits of red we're going to be putting on. It should look good. So without any further ado, let's whack it on. To be fair, it's better, but the red looks a bit random, this top bit. But I definitely run it. The only thing is I can't be arsed to swap over the lower trim. But I'll zoom out. There we go. So I don't think there's any point on making any more changes to this grille, because once that's painted, then we'll chuck it on. There are a few broken clips. I think there's one there, one there, and then those two are both fine. But either way, it doesn't really matter. I mean, I said before I only wanted ones with clips intact, but who cares as long as it's secured. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Should we go with the red stripe debadged over the non-striped debadge with Jetta bottom end? Like I said, I'm not going to be doing the Jetta mod. I'm just going to put the Golf one on because it just looks cleaner in my opinion, especially when people try and modify and it looks a little bit terrible. But we've got some clearance issues here inside the wing, but seeing how the car was put together, it's probably going to want just readjusting anyway, because the gap on the front is ridiculous. I've almost got my finger in it. So I think the whole wing needs pushing back and then out, which will then make that slot in better. That side's fine. Could do with clipping in a bit better, but yeah. We have just had a shipment of material in the office right now. We are starting off the retrim. I thought I would get a sun visor, both A-pillars, handbrake gaiter, steering wheel surround, handbrake gaiter, and then the sun visor clip, just to start me off. In regards to the material, guys, it had to be tweed. So we've gone with a sort of grey gradient tartan for the centres and all the sort of fancy bits, and then for the main colour we've gone like a light grey. That's going to be the entire interior, going to be grey, so it'll brighten up a little bit. And I've always wanted to do this colour. Start off with doing these little bits, and then we'll just keep chipping away at little things. We did the centre console, handbrake, and some other bits. I think from now until show season, which is going to be March next year, we're currently in October, it gives me 5 months to get this whole interior done. So my mentality is, as long as I chip away a little bit every week or so, I should be able to make it. You will notice, guys, I've got a little bit of a tan. Last week we spent a week in Portugal. You guys wouldn't have noticed because I'd already scheduled the vlogs to be uploaded while I'm away. Had the best time, really good country to visit, and I was surprised at how many Mark 3s, Mark 2s, old Passats, Renaults, old Peugeots. There was tons everywhere. When I went to Germany, Wolfsburg and Berlin, I think I saw a B3 Passat Estate, one Mark 3, no Mark 2s, no Mark 1s. But yeah, Portugal was a really nice place, got a nice lovely tan, but sadly we are back to the reality of building cars and working in a now getting cold season. Guys, that is the end of the vlog. If you did enjoy it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Make sure you tune in next week because we've got something very special. So we'll see you then. Peace.